The shoe's form reflects Lorenzo's distinctive design philosophy and has a simple yet elegant appearance. Crafted in a delicate ash pearl color, the trainers are suitable for both casual and more formal ensembles thanks to their neutral color scheme that goes well with many different types. From the unique midsole to the structured upper, the meticulous workmanship elevates the overall opulent feel, making the Adidas Fear of God Athletics 2 an essential item for sneakerheads who value contemporary design and superb craftsmanship. The Adidas Fear of God Athletics 2 Ash Pearl places a strong emphasis on comfort and performance in addition to style, two important aspects that are frequently at the forefront of both companies. Advanced Adidas technology was used in the shoe's design to provide exceptional cushioning and support, making it perfect for both casual sports activities and daily wear. They are a sensible option for daily usage because of the careful material selection that guarantees longevity and the design that promotes ventilation.